Hi everyone, it's Sarah here and I'm so excited to have been accepted on the creative team for Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft for 2018, and I'm here to share an unboxing of my first package. So this is the January kit from Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft, and I'm going to open it up on camera. So here we go. Ooh, it's looking pretty already. So I'll just get rid of that. So I'm not sure what this kit is called yet, but I will put it in the description once I know. And typical Vera style, she packages everything so well. So let's see what we've got in here. So there's some Centauro pockets here. They're very cute. I'm just going to open them up quickly to show you. So they have different girls on the front, and then on the back there's different little bunnies and creatures as well. So they're very cute. Oh, some gorgeous ribbons. They're very nice. They're little bows. So they're very cute. Ooh. Some metal embellishments. I love these. I love arrows and I love travel themed things, so I'll have some fun with that. Some Ken Oliver embellishments. Here is some clear stamps from Kaisercraft. So this looks like some gum leaves maybe, and some native flowers. Road trip. Of all the parts you take in life, make sure some of them are dirt. That's very cute. And adventure this way. So they're very lovely. So I'm getting a bit of a travel theme here, which is nice. Oh, a Tim Holtz stencil. I love Tim Holtz stencils. I love stencils of all kinds, so I might do something mixed media-ish with this. Very cute. We've got some washi tape. I love washi tape. It's probably one of my favorite craft items. Let me just open this up. And this is a wide washi too, which I don't have many of. Oh, and it's got a scallop edge. So this is flowers here with a scalloped edge. I'll just see if I can pull some of that out. So something with a plain back, not really. There it is there, very pretty. I like that a lot. We have, oh, some Diana Wakely acrylic paint, and this one is blushing. So that's a very pretty color. And I've always wanted to use some of her products and I never have, so that's exciting. And now we have some papers. So these are 12 by 12 papers. I'm just gonna pull these out and I might get rid of the box and we'll just see what we've got here. So these are double-sided and it looks like it's the Dear Lizzie Stargazer collection from American Crafts. So very good quality here. So I'll just flip through them. So it looks like there's one of each and I'll do front and back. So that's cute bicycles, and they've got like plants on the back. So very cute, and a nice mint pattern. These are really cute. You could cut these out. And oh, I like that pattern. These are little caravans and houses. This collection's so cute. I like these backgrounds. They look kind of like wallpapers. So it's kind of homey, but kind of travel themed as well. Oh, so it looks like, guys, the washi matches this. That's very nice. Some more florals. I adore florals, so I'll definitely use these. Oh, little lemons. Might cut that off and use it as a border. Some stars. They're very pretty. And some more, looks more like wallpaper again. I love it. It's kind of vintagey. Nice quote background and some patterns. Oh, that's very cute. Little caravan. I can see that being a feature page of some sort on something. And oh, this is very nice. It's like the Milky Way. That's very cute. Some stripes and some more stars. Some big flower prints. Love this mustard color here. And some more Starry Night type backgrounds. I love birds, as Vera knows, so that's very cute. And oh, some more cut aparts. So I like these numbers with the flowers, the stargazer, very, very cute. And just some pink words as a background there. So these products are all so gorgeous, you guys. I'm so happy with my first kit here. So thank you so much, Vera, for all these goodies, because everything is just fabulous, as usual. So I very much look forward to creating with these, and I can't wait to share some projects with you guys. So hope you like this unboxing, and I will share some projects soon. Bye.